Logistic regression is a powerful tool used to assess the probability of a certain event occurring. It is used in a wide range of applications, such as predicting the probability of a patient developing a particular disease, the probability of a customer buying a product, or the probability of a student being accepted into a college. At its core, logistic regression is a mathematical equation used to model the relationship between a set of independent variables and a binary dependent variable. In this equation, the dependent variable can only take two values, either 0 or 1. This binary output is known as the logit, which is used to calculate the probability of an event occurring. The equation used in logistic regression is a linear equation, which means that the relationship between the independent and dependent variables is linear. This linear equation is used to calculate the probability of the event occurring and is known as the logistic function or the logistic curve. Once the logistic curve has been calculated, it can be used to predict the probability of the event occurring. This is done by comparing the independent variables to the logistic curve and determining which one is most likely to predict the probability of the event occurring.